Hello friends, Tashidelek, Namo Buddhaya. Today I am going to discuss about the nature of mind. So when we talk about the mind and consciousness, if you look at the technical terms, there is always confusion in the usage of Buddhist technical term. So mind means chitta in Sanskrit language, and consciousness means jnana or jnana in Sanskrit language. And mind refers sem in Tibetan language, and consciousness refers namshe in Tibetan language. So if you look at the Tibetan term namshe and sem, and the Sanskrit term chitta and jnana or jnana, they are all applicable. They can be applied for those who are at the state of unconscious level. So if you look at the English term consciousness, mind and consciousness, consciousness does not apply at the unconscious level. So there is differences there. So Tibetan term sem and namshe, and Sanskrit term chitta and samvita has a broader meaning than the English term mind and consciousness. So there is a confusion there. So I wanted to share this point to you. Then another thing, according to the Western perspectives, mind means a single entity, but according to the Buddhist perspective, mind is episodic. There are different types of mind. So this is another thing. And if you look at the nature of mind, mind has two characters when we talk about mind and consciousness. The first characters of mind is clear and luminosities. When we speak about the clear and luminosities, according to the scriptures, it has given two analogies. The first one is a mirror, and second is a water. So if you look at the mirror, you can see that any object can be reflected on mirror. So similarly, any object can be reflected on our mind. So there is similarities between the mind and mirror. So therefore, it is given an analogy of mirror in Buddhist scriptures. So if you look at the water, the nature of water is pure, is clean and transparent. Whatever the impurities and murky and dirties, all these are temporary. They can be removable. So similarly, if you look at the mind, the essential properties of mind or the nature of mind is clean, pure and transparent. As whatever we can see the negative emotion such as anger, hatred, jealousies, attachment, all these they can be removable. We can overcome them. So these are the temporaries. So if you look at this particular point, then you can see, or you will be noticed that there is a hope that our mind has a capacity of changing, or our mind can be transformed. There is a possibility of doing the transformations of our mind. Then the another characters of mind is that our mind has a capacity of knowing, or our mind has a capacity of being aware whatever the object which is reflected on our mind. So these are the two characters of our mind. I hope that you enjoy my video, and also I hope that you would understand the nature of mind and consciousness from the Buddhist perspective. So this is what I wanted to share. That's all. Thank you.